jump. Oh.
3, 2.
Through the best solutions. If you want to say it how you just said it, that's fine.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I caught a rock.
Let's do. 1, go.
Hey Frank.
Hey,
Morning,
Mike.
dude.
How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Damn glad to meet you.
Pound it. Pound it.
Hey. Wait, let's get some of this stuff out of the way.
Hold on, let me set it up. Alright, it's ready for you.
Jeff, you may want to fix your posture a little bit.
You messed them up, man.
It's a blooper.